Whether the trees were plenty or few in the grounds associated with the Old Testament, people seem to love them. One may think that the absence of the trees in such a bare place made them so beloved and precious to the people. However, there is also the opinion that there were plenty of trees in the area at that time. The fertility of the land was of paramount importance in those grounds, so it was quite expected for people to associate the trees with it. A tree is strong, usually long-lived, beautiful, and closely connected with human life upon our planet. All those properties of the tree, as well as others, were totally understood by all men who created the fertility cults and gave birth to deities and who dwelt in trees, watered the earth, and fertilized the crops. The tree has become the means of communication between man and deity, as well as a way of expressing this relationship. This strong relationship passed into the biblical text and formed the tree of life and the tree of knowledge, seen, however, with a very different connotation. In conclusion, we may state that it seems quite possible an ancient tradition derived from a common source to be the uterus of all this literature and iconography, an extremely old myth about the tree that survived through the oral tradition of the people of the Near East, took many forms within the centuries and played an important role to the mythology and religion beliefs of the Near East mentioned above. However, with respect to the tree in the paradise story of the Bible, it seems that its role reaches its peak as it is involved in the most important and perhaps most sad event of all humankind, the fall of man. Nevertheless, in the Christian eschatology, there is a hope in the book of Revelation that the righteous man will be allowed to eat of the tree of life in the end times. This is the only time the figure of the tree is used by the writers, the biblical writers in this connection, to open and close in some way such a great sacred book as the Bible.